I am head over heels for my SeoulCeuticals multifunction all-in-one anti-aging snail repair cream. SeoulCeuticals makes some of the best Korean skincare products out there, and this one is no exception. This snail cream not only has snail extract, which is a skincare super ingredient, but also contains retinol, vitamin E, and green tea extract, which makes it the perfect moisturizer for acne and for anti-aging. This leaves my skin super nourished. You can order it from Amazon now and get 10% off using promo code BESTSNAIL.
SeoulCeuticals' best Korean skincare snail cream has been an amazing product for my skin. It has vitamin E, vitamin B5, and organic green tea. It also contains retinol and is the best moisturizer for acne and anti-aging skin. I love this product, you guys. If you have old acne scarring, I highly recommend. It has brightened my skin and I love it. And the best part, you can go get yours on Amazon with 10% off with the code BESTSNAIL. Go check it out.